fact, these are the visuals of External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar also exercising his franchise, casting his ballot early this morning. It's around 8:15 right now, and External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar there arriving at the polling station, and he has cast his vote. Let me go across to Riyanka from Nirman Bhavan. Riyanka, Nirman Bhavan is part of the New Delhi Assembly constituency. Several high-profile voters are also going to arrive and cast their ballot. But the most important is the fact that this is a high-voltage, seat, because there are three high-profile candidates from all the three parties that are in the fray: Kejriwal, Parvesh Verma, and Sandeep Dixit. Tell us about what the mood is like and what the people want this time around.
As you rightly mentioned, Deepak, I'm standing right outside the Nirman Bhavan, which is one of the most VVIP polling centers here. And we are expecting Rahul Gandhi to come in any time from now and cast his vote at this very polling booth. And you can see that there are several measures that have been taken into consideration, given that this is a VVIP area. And as of now, there is not much of a footfall of the voters at this very center, given it is one of the most VVIP centers. But we are expecting senior officials who work with the central and the state government, as well as those with others, are going to be coming in here. In fact, as you can see, the security is quite high. The number of Delhi police personnel who have been deployed here is looking more than what a normal polling booth can be, witnessed. Now, we will also try and get in more details, but we are getting visuals of senior leader coming in. We are showing our viewers all these visuals. This is Sandeep Dixit and Rahul Gandhi, who has in fact arrived at this very polling booth. We are giving you all these exclusive visuals of Rahul Gandhi and Sandeep Dixit both entering the booth at the moment, and which is why this heavy security has been maintained. So yes, Rahul Gandhi has entered the Nirman Bhavan to cast his vote. Along with Rahul Gandhi, Sandeep Dixit was also seen inside the car, and there is...
क्या कहना चाहेंगे आज दिल्ली की जनता निकले? You have always been an early voter.
Yes, I've been an early voter, a Delhi voter, and I think the public is in a mood for change.
And well, we had in fact shown in those visuals of Rahul Gandhi entering the Nirman Bhavan polling booth. As I was rightly mentioning earlier, Deepak, that this is a very, very sensitive as well as a VVIP polling booth that has been, witnessing the top leaders. In fact, a while from now, we will also expect arrival of Priyanka Gandhi as well. But we showed our viewers those exclusive visuals of Rahul Gandhi and Sandeep Dixit together, who had in fact entered this very polling booth. You can see the amount of